Because I didn't know the why.
For this one, you should take away the minus.
There's a highlighted word here.
The minus doesn't matter.
Perimeter. Do you know what perimeter means?
If it's a square, it's just length plus length plus.
Close. Your length times width, that would be the area. Perimeter, what you're I think you're on. You're gonna add up, right? Do you know what we have in Winnipeg that goes around our city? The perimeter highway. So if you think you already have heard of that, that is something that travels around our city.
Not like that, but yes.
It's a nicer, it's kind of ovally or circly, but perimeter is the distance it takes to go around a whole object. Okay? And now we have algebra. Like if these were numbers, you would just go, oh, 10 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6, if those were numbers. But now we need to do the algebra. We need to add all these sides up. Sometimes in math, when we have algebra and it's a clunky thing, we put it together and hold it with brackets. So there's my first side. I'm going to start at the top. Then I need to add, what's my second side? 8x minus 3. Right? I'm starting at this green point. Now I'm at this bottom corner. I want to go the whole perimeter. I want to travel all the way around. What am I going to add next? 5x plus 1. And then I'm going to add the last side, x minus 6. This is an expression. Expression. Look at these words again. Expression is adding and subtracting a bunch of terms. This is an expression. The problem right now is our expression is not simplified. 1 plus 2 is not simplified. What do you think the simplified version of 1 plus 2 would be? This is supposed to be not super hard.
3.
3. 3 is the simplified version of 1 plus 2 because you no longer have to do the math. Right? Simplified versions are a lot nicer. Right? 899 is a lot nicer than if I told you what's 29 times 31.
Show off. Yes, people, 29 times 31 is in fact.
899. But 899 is simpler.
Why does he know that? He knew right away.
Does he-
899.
Does he teach pre-calc?
Oh, it's beyond that. There's a lot of teachers who teach pre-calculus that wouldn't know that.
So we want to make this simplified. We need to put our like terms together.
Numbers
Wouldn't it be 10?
Do we have any like terms with x?
in the second.
How many X's?
Are there any other terms that have just an x?
The six?
Yes.
This one does?
Not anything.
All of them.
This one does?
All of them.
And this one does. No, the 6 doesn't have an x. The one does, not all of them.
Okay, most.
The part of all of them, yes, if you consider the brackets, those all have
In
x's.
fact, half of them have X's.
Are there any numbers by themselves? I have a 10. I have a minus 3. I have a plus 1. And I have a minus 6. Let's start with the green ones.
Solo los números que tienen X pueden reescribir una suma de la X, por ejemplo, la X y el 5X.
Yeah. The 5, the coefficient goes with the x. This one says I have 5 x's. This one says I have 8 x's. There's no number in front. How many x's are there? 1. So how many x's do we have in total? A little bit of mental math to start.
50.
15. You see it? 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 1, 15. So we have 15 x's. What about our numbers? Those are the ones I circled in purple. So you see how itemizing your like terms makes your math easier after, because now I have to put these ones together.
2,
10 minus 3 is
7,
plus 1
8,
minus 6,
2,
2 plus 2. This is our final answer. Okay,
A simplified version of
the
that.
simplified expression for the perimeter. So first of all, think of perimeter highway, traveling around the distance to travel around the city. Perimeter is the distance to travel around an object. You have to add up all the sides. Here's one more, but it's trickier because I didn't tell you 2 of the sides. So that's going to be our first challenge. I want to see if you can figure out what this missing side is and what this missing side is. We will write the answers in orange because I like it.
In orange. L'orange.
Actually, I'll color code it so you can tell me. We'll do this side in orange and this side we need to figure out in purple. Can anybody tell me how long the orange side is? I think that's the easier one.
3x minus 2x.
Ooh, I like it. I don't like that, but I like that other part. Right?
How you said that.
I like how he said it. He said, this should be x. And then he explained why. He said, if this whole length is 3x, and this length is 2x's, you'd have to minus them to figure out what this is left. That side will just be x. What about the purple one?
3x minus 1 equals 4x minus 1
The whole side is 4x minus 1.
minus 1.
And you minus 1x off of that, that would give you 3x's. Oops, I said minus 1 and I did
Yeah.
not write minus 1.
Here. Here.
Yes.
La respuesta en las X es 9x, ¿verdad?
Es x, es de x.
9x en las X.
Okay, and for the perimeter, we have to figure that out yet. Okay, so now our perimeter, and sometimes when we write an expression, sometimes we like to say things like this: P is equal to, because we're finding the perimeter. Which point do we want to start at? Or if we have to go all the way around, I'm going to start top left-hand corner again. You see that you'd start with an x, and then you would add another x, and then we would add, I'm going to put this one in brackets to hold it together. That side is 3x minus 1. And then a 2x. And then I'll put this one in brackets, a 4x minus 1. And finally a 3x, and I get back to the green point I started with. Do I have some like terms? Yes, 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 yes. How about numbers?
9.
There's
It's
a minus 1
See,
and a minus 1.
see.
Okay. How many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, nice.
6, 7. Where was I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 4
here.
plus 3.
Here.
14 x's.
Here.
Yeah.
¿Y de dónde salen esas dos X? Si solo hay uno.
¿Esta 2x?
No, la de la primera. ¿De dónde
Es
salen esas
x, x, x aquí, x aquí.
Dos aquí,
2x.
por favor.
I don't always teach math. But when I do. Some people don't.
Yeah.
And then the purple are like terms.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
14.
That's our simplified version. Okay. That's our lesson for today, perimeters. Super short, I know.
Perimeters.